Are you looking to start a career in finance? Are you a recent graduate or a career changer, trying to prepare yourself in the most efficient way possible, that will secure you an entry-level position? We understand that this can be a stressful time for you given the high competition, your limited time for preparation and the vagueness of what should be learned or not. That's why we created Short Finance Lessons, your go-to source for helping recent graduates and career changers to build their technical skill set and succeed in the competitive world of finance. Channel's founder and lecturer is a CFA charterholder and active investment banking and corporate finance professional since 2018, and his mission is to empower new aspiring financial analysts with the necessary technical skills allowing them to stand out from competition. We know that preparing for a career in finance can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to technical skills like financial modeling, valuation and accounting. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Our video tutorials are designed to help you develop the skills you need to stand out from the competition. Our focus is on delivering short, focused lessons that cut through the noise and help you stay on track. We know that time is of the essence when you're job hunting, so we want to make sure you're using your time efficiently. Join our community today and start building your career in finance with the help of our expert instructor and easy-to-follow lessons. Thanks for watching.